Hi, today I'm going to show you how to repair a flat tire with nail in it. So as you can see, we have a screw here right in the middle. If it happens in this area, you still can repair it. But if it goes on the sideway of the wheel, you need to replace it. So I'm going to repair this tire with this kit. If someone is interested, I will put the link in the description below, like always. Before you start with your wheel, you need to prepare your second tool. Something like this, and don't forget to add some glue. So first we need to pull out this screw here, and then we're going to round this hole with this tool. And don't wait too long, because you're going to lose a lot of air from this tire. When you close your punctured hole, just cut away those tails and you are good to go. This should be your final result, something like that. And when you're finished, don't forget to put the wheel back on the car. So when you're all done, also don't forget to pump your wheel back to the normal pressure.